Glocks and lean, it made me lean. Do my dance like Billie Jean, These niggas say that the shit, but these niggas not shit. Why these niggas be capping the words? On the ground posting pics of the Glock, but these niggas know they ain't been shoot shit but birds. Me, I'ma fight your bitch as a body. You know that she tasting the truth in my words. Stay in your lane, lay your brain on a plane. I guess it's time to show you a new world. Glocks and lean, it made me lean. I do my dance like Billie Jean. All my homies got them drakes, you know they finna let them sing. I'm the king and will forever be, and I'ma make you bitches see. Another body getting dropped today, we tell them R.I.P. If you ever catch me solo, then I'm looking for my peace. If you catch me with my team, then we disturbing all. We versatile, yeah, we finesses, but you know that we some steppers. We some troopers out the dark, you know we shooting at them help. Them 223s be acting different when we approach all the up. You know that pussy nigga fake, he wide up, yeah, he a cop. Me and my niggas some dream chasers, so we chase by any means. If a nigga try to stop us, he get mopped up off the scene. My intention, mama tell you not to trust a stranger. Get led to danger, bitch, I feel just like the mayor. Money stacked just like skyscrapers. Hold up, now they faking paper. Why these niggas faking bread? I heard he couldn't get no cheese. I think that little boy off the man. Push the whip down the street, bitch, I feel like I was speed racing. Only thing I'm chasing is the money that a nigga make. Super black with a fat ass, she shake it fast, I thought she was a man. Every day white mud up on my face, cause one day nigga finna make it, yeah, I'm finna make it, ho, yeah, I'ma make it, ho. Gotta stack some bread for my family and my homies, though, I'ma make it, ho, yeah, I'ma make it, ho. Gotta stack some bread for the lady that I got at home, All these bitches thought that I was gon' end up alone. Nah, bitch, I'm in the zone, I ain't gotta flex, bitch, you know what I'm on, I ball like a genie, bitch, I ain't no rookie, ho, Me and my niggas step on shit, that's what we getting on, Had to learn the ways, had to learn the game, Now I play the game, these hoes cannot turn away, Hold up, we gon' spray 32 up in your face, We gon' let that bullet round just like Gatorade, I'ma ram up in that pussy cause I feel the flay, Big old clock ticking on my neck like on Flavor Flav, Yeah, approach the game like me cause niggas ain't the same, I'm a different breed, these pussies know that they lame.